Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart. Today, we're diving into the sky with two top-tier drones from Holy Stone, the HS720G and the HS360S. It's a drone showdown, and only one can reign supreme. So, buckle up and let's get flying. First up, let's talk about the price. The HS720G will set you back $299. It's FAA compliant and comes with remote ID built in, so you won't have to worry about legal issues. On the other hand, the HS360S is more budget-friendly at $209. No FAA registration required, making it a hassle-free option for those who hate paperwork. Next, let's get into camera quality. The HS720G boasts a 2-axis gimbal with a 4K EIS camera, promising stunning and vivid footage. Reviewers love its clear 4K UHD camera and smooth gimbal for photos and videos. Meanwhile, the HS360S comes with a 4K UHD camera featuring a Galaxy Core sensor and an 85 degrees wide-angle lens adjustable by remote control. Reviewers find it impressive for both pictures and videos, especially for beginners. Let's talk about performance. The HS720G has a max battery life of 26 minutes and can fly up to 999 meters. It features powerful brushless motors for stable flight, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced users. Reviewers appreciate its stability and responsiveness. The HS360S, on the other hand, offers a control range of up to 10,000 feet and a 20-minute flight time. Users praise its ease of use and stability in flight, with a modular battery for added convenience. Now, let's get into the GPS features. The HS720G has a powerful GPS module with optical flow positioning, follow me, tap fly, and point of interest functions. Reviewers love its GPS-assisted flight and reliable RTH feature. The HS360S also boasts precise GPS positioning and a return home function, along with intelligent recording modes like Spiral Up and Catapult. Reviewers find these features make it a fun and easy-to-use drone. Finally, let's talk about user-friendliness. The HS720G comes with multiple functions like headless mode, automatic takeoff, altitude hold, and optical flow positioning. Reviewers find it user-friendly and suitable for novices. The HS360S also offers a beginner mode and Holy Stone's intelligent control system, making it super easy to fly. Reviewers, especially beginners, appreciate its user-friendly design and clear manual. Overall, both drones have received positive reviews. The HS720G is praised for its advanced features, stability, and impressive camera capabilities, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced users. The HS360S is lauded for its affordability, ease of use, and fun features, making it a great choice for beginners. So, there you have it. The HS720G offers advanced features and longer flight time, while the HS360S is more budget-friendly with incredible range and user-friendly controls. Let us know in the comments which drone you prefer and why. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome comparisons. Product links are in the description. Until next time, fly smart and buy smart.